We inspire the joy of creativity in everyone, everywhere, every day. Since 1929, Wilton has been helping home bakers and cake decorators all over the world create sweet treats and beautiful desserts by giving them the tools to make it fun and easy. The Wilton name is known around the world for cake decorating, candy making, bakeware, and party products. At Wilton, we're passionate about bringing the love of baking and decorating to every consumer.
Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Cookware looks stunning in the kitchen with its clean contemporary lines and beautiful stainless steel surfaces, plus the premium performance you expect from Calphalon. Pans feature a brushed stainless steel interior and exterior, plus a heavy gauge aluminum inner core that extends across the bottom and up the sides for superior conductivity and even heating. The long ergonomic stainless steel handles are designed to dissipate heat and stay cool to the touch on the stovetop. The reflective stainless steel surface is ideal for searing and browning and helps produce fond, the brown bits of food that cling to the bottom of the pan, which is essential for flavorful pan sauces and gravies. Pans are versatile too. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless can be used on induction stovetops, and pans are safe to use in the oven and broiler. Plus, you can cook with any utensil you like, including metal, without damaging the pan's interior. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless captures the essence of modern culinary design, bringing a contemporary look to your kitchen. Calphalon makes sure that cleanup is easy. Pans can go right in the dishwasher. Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Cookware. Contemporary design, premium performance.
Broiling is a technique that was really popular in the 80s, but I think it's something we should bring back and use in the modern home kitchen because it uses only one pan and it's easy cleanup. When you broil something, you want to move your oven rack to the upper third of your oven. Then you want to preheat it to broil. It's basically the same as cooking it from the bottom on a stove in that you only have heat coming from one direction. You want to season your protein, whatever it is you're cooking, on both sides and then slide it into an oven-proof dish. I love cast iron for this because it holds heat very evenly. So when you broil it and cook it under a high heat for about 8 minutes, you're cooking your piece of fish or your steak or your scallops or your shrimp unilaterally. So hopefully you'll achieve a nice crispy crust on top and a soft flesh below.
Hey folks, dried turkey. We've all eaten it. Well, why don't you take control of the turkey this year? Today, we're going to turn this into this using a roasting pan made by Graniteware, without all the hassles of brining, basting, oven bags, or flimsy foil pans. These pans are great for cooking turkey, chicken, roasts, and vegetables. The porcelain surface of these pans is all natural and chemical-free. The dark surface efficiently absorbs heat from the oven, allowing the steel core to distribute it throughout the pan. That means your turkey is going to cook more evenly and faster than in an uncovered pan or a glass pan. It is also safe to use metal utensils in these pans, and it's dishwasher safe. One of the best features of these roasters is the dimpled lid. See, it traps moisture inside the roaster from in and around your turkey. As that moisture rises, it collects on the dimples of the lid and then drips back down all around the turkey. That's what helps keep your bird moist all throughout the cooking. This design is what ensures that the bird does stay moist by basting it in its own juices.
Now there are a variety of styles and sizes of roasters available, so you'll be sure to find a roasting pan that's just right for whatever you're doing. From Graniteware, America's favorite roasters.
You've known us for years. We're inspired by your passion for food and to making every dish better than the last. At KitchenAid, we're on the same path. Our new tools are better than ever before. From crowd-pleasing comfort food that gets the day started, to your favorite pasta recipe made with farm-fresh ingredients. From special holiday roasts to feed your favorite people, to decadent sweet surprises you're never too old to enjoy. These tools are for the foodies, the creative ones who honor the art of the meal. Your passion gives us purpose and drives us to be the only brand to bring everything and everyone together in the kitchen. KitchenAid. There's so much more to make.
Hi, so it's Thanksgiving 2012 and we like to cook around here, so we decided to get a new turkey roaster for Thanksgiving this year. So we got this Calphalon pan. It was $59 something from another company, and I thought it was a good deal. The reviews were good, but when it came it was awfully light. And you know, when I unpacked it, even though it's anodized aluminum, it is so thin that I wouldn't be able to make gravy on top of the stove like I wanted to in this. So we have decided to send that back, and we bought a new pan. We bought the Cuisinart pan. This one was $79.95, and it's model number MCP117-16BR, and it's like the all-clad where you have 2 layers of stainless steel surrounding aluminum. And here's the pan, and just right out of the box it weighs so much more. I think the other one was about 6 pounds. This one, according to the specifications, is 8.8 pounds, and it feels like every bit of it. It feels really nice. It has a stainless steel rack. Some people don't like that, but I think I will. Some of the reviews said the non-stick surface came off of that, so I kind of like it like that. And the pan itself is really nice. It's got a nice mirrored finish, very nice, well constructed. It's got good handles to it, and for $20 more, we think this is just a terrific pan, a terrific buy, and we can't wait to use it. So happy Thanksgiving!
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.